In this video we are going to talk about how to earn $2,000 from searching Google. Every day, you utilize Google to find answers. You seek solutions. You look for pleasure and study to disprove your pal. Doubtful. But did you know you can utilize it to make a fortune? Yes, there is a website that pays you to search Google on your phone, laptop, or computer from anywhere in the world. So you can do it from your bed or the beach, while waiting in line, from home, or basically any place you have internet access. So pay attention and do as instructed. Also, keep in mind that this will be a very simple tutorial involving simply two websites. The first will be google.com. So the first step is to simply open Google and leave it open. Now, the major website we will use to generate money online is minesumo.com. Just don't go straight to miningsumo.com. And if you try to figure it out on your own, you'll be lost. As you can see, mineomo.com has worked with some major corporations. So it's worth it. They've worked with Pepsi, J&J, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, and IBM. So choose between creativity, marketing, and technical skills. Optional, but we recommend selecting something like average or above average competency, regardless of your actual skills. But this will increase your chances of earning more money. So we'd pick average proficiency, and you don't have to check these 3 boxes to join their email list. And you obviously don't want that. You don't want spam emails. You can view their terms and conditions and privacy policy by clicking on these 2 links. After that, just click I'm not a robot and sign up to create an account. Sumo.com. When you log into your account, you'll find a list of challenges, questions, and projects that you can complete and earn money for. As you can see, they pay from a few $100s to several $1,000s. There's no shortage of money to be made on this website because fresh questions, ideas, and challenges arrive every single day. Now for some projects. If we open this one, for example, you can see how much money people have made just from this challenge, and this is their whole budget. Here are the project's outcomes. It's not always that simple. So follow me. So we can show you how to use Google's easy gimmick and be paid to search. Anyway, we want you to come back and pick a few. For example, if you study computer science, you can pick any of these projects. And you'll join the project. As you can see, they'll ask you a question now. This is the primary question, and we have a chance to win this much money. KESL Google, you must accomplish the following. You will need to copy this question and put it into Google. So we can Google it. So you can read them all. For example, open this one and see if it answers our questions. And the more profound or longer your answer, the more likely you are to make money. And now you may alter it, change the font, colors, and maybe even some words. Instead, we can just select it and change it to blue. And we may make that part bold or whatever. See how it's entirely customizable. And it's dead simple. So just Google it and edit it in Google Docs. After that, just click File, Download, and save it as a PDF. Once you have it on your computer, simply return here and enter your answer to be eligible for a part of the prize money. Don't forget that you will have to share the prize money with other players. But as you can see, it was simple. Google had the answer in less than 5 minutes. Now we can win hundreds of dollars for nothing. So all you need to do is Google it. Find out. Once you've located it, simply log into your account, enter your email address and password, and submit your answer. That's how easy it is to make money online just by searching on Google. Of course, you won't always win the challenge and gain a share of the prize, but it just takes a few minutes to search Google. So why not do it in your spare time and earn some additional cash? It's simple, and you can do it from anywhere. For more details, click the link in description box below. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below.